Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hairology. I hope you will be fine. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about French bob haircut. The French bob typically falls at or just above the chin, with a blunt cut that is even all around the head. The hair is typically styled with straight or slightly wavy texture, with minimal layering. Many French bob haircuts are accompanied by bangs, which can be either blunt or side-swept. The French bob can be styled in many different ways, from sleek and polished to tousled and textured. The French bob is a versatile style that can be adapted to suit many different faces shapes, from round to square to heart shape. Overall, the French bob haircut is a classic and sophisticated style that is both elegant and easy to maintain. It's a popular choice for women who want low maintenance yet stylish haircut can be easily customized to suit their individual preferences. If you want to know about more haircuts or any special haircuts, and write in the comment section below, and subscribe my YouTube channel Hairology, and don't forget to click the bell icon button. Thanks for watching and stay blessed.